Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make creatine monohydrate at home easy guide. Gather lab-grade sarcosine, cyanamide alternative, reaction vessel, heating source, thermometer, and safety gear, then prepare a clean workspace. Wear gloves and eye protection at all times and work in a well-ventilated area. Measure reagents accurately, follow stepwise heating and pH control, and plan for proper drying and storage of the final creatine monohydrate product. Start by dissolving measured sarcosine in solvent and adding the cyanamide source slowly while stirring. Maintain controlled heating to the recommended temperature and monitor pH closely to favor creatine formation. After the reaction completes, cool to room temperature, then filter solids and wash to remove byproducts. Dry the collected crystals thoroughly to yield creatine monohydrate and store in a dry, airtight container to prevent hydration or contamination over time. Quick recommendation: if you liked this practical guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. On another note, those leak-proof containers are great for organizing powders, keeping reagents dry, and preventing messes in the lab or kitchen, and they save cleanup time with airtight seals and sturdy lids. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Prioritize safety by using gloves, goggles, and a well-ventilated workspace, and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. Use only high-purity reagents and clearly label all containers to avoid dangerous mix-ups. After synthesis, assess purity through simple checks like solubility behavior and visual inspection for discoloration or residues. If results look off, discard materials safely and troubleshoot reaction conditions before attempting another batch to protect both health and product quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.